Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to get the name of a worksheet within your Excel workbook. This is the easiest way to do it. It empowers you to use VBA and come up with your own functions, do things your own way. And it's not near as complicated as some of the other ways you'll see online where you use a cell reference, get the name of the workbook, find the position within that string that tells you the name of the worksheet. So we're going to do it today with a single line of VBA code within a VBA function. So if you look at my screen here, I've got two tabs down here, Craig's worksheet and my other worksheet. And there is no integrated worksheet function within Excel that could give you that result that you want to return the name of a worksheet. So what I'm going to do is go to my VBA editor, Alt F11. I create a new function here, and I'm going to call it, make it public so anybody can access it. Public function get worksheet name. The only argument we're going to pass will be a range that will be wherever we want to select within our workbook, so we can get the name of another workbook, not just the one that we're on. And we'll return a string value for it. That's the entire function declaration. Now we'll just return worksheet name equals our argument, whatever range we're going to select and pass back in, its parent, which will be the actual sheet, the worksheet, dot name. I like to indent. This function right here, this is all we have to type, and now from within Excel, we will have a new function called get worksheet name, and all we have to do is select anywhere for our argument, anywhere in our sheet, or whichever sheet we want to get the name of. Close the argument and look, Craig's worksheet. Now, to get return the name of the other worksheet within my workbook, we'll do the same thing again. Go to that worksheet, we'll just pick, it doesn't matter, close it, my other worksheet. So as you can see, we can dynamically get those. It doesn't matter if we change these. I might have to do another declaration to call it dynamic, or update this dynamically, but if I change this to new name, it didn't update until I go in and retype in the name of the worksheet. So the way we can fix that, or re-execute the function, is if within this function, I believe I can type application.volatile. I think that's all I need to do. So if I come here and change this to X, go back, probably need to run it first. Oh, shoot. Man, I need to leave it as that. Go. So now it's X. If I come here and change this to Z, back to my sheet, it is now Z. If I update the name of this worksheet to say Craig's best worksheet, it automatically updates. Look for processing power used to do that. It is now subscribing to every event, every change, but the application.volatile declaration will cause this function to execute anytime there's a change that's made that affects the argument to this function. So I'll show you some more cool tools and some of the ways we use this in my business in an upcoming video. But if you like it, feel free to like and subscribe. I've got lots of tools, lots of other videos I'm going to continue to add, and we'll go from there. Thanks a lot.